Hi, this is Kurt with Traverse Tool Company. What we have here today is a 1x42" belt sander made by Kalamazoo. The Kalamazoo machine was born in Kalamazoo, Michigan, hence the name, and it's still American made today. The belt sander is packaged just for support with a wooden base. So we're going to take it off the wooden base. And now you can use those same screw holes to bolt it down to your workbench. This sander is really useful for a lot of different sanding operations. It even has a tilting table on it, so you can sand angles onto your workpiece. So let's see what it takes to change the belt on this sander. First thing you always do is disconnect the power, then open the OSHA approved belt guard, loosen the knob, press down on the spring-loaded pulley on top, and the belt comes right off. These belts come on and off so easily, they can easily change or quickly change from a coarse belt to a fine belt in just a few seconds. So once you have the belt on both pulleys, you turn it by hand, still with the power unplugged, turn it by hand, and swivel the top pulley until the belt is centered over the bottom pulley. And then tighten the knob back up, close the guard, and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming tips and tricks. The button's right down here.